Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. I am finally back and somewhat able to move around. I don't know if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I'll put my handle right here, but I shared with you guys I have a condition, I guess it's a condition called costochondritis. It's like inflammation of your cartilage and all of that around, like in your chest and in your ribs and your breastbone and all of that. Like on Sunday, I just got a shooting pain through like dead center of my chest that radiated all the way through my back. Like it was crippling. I thought I was having a heart attack. It was so scary. I'm like, I am 34 years old. There's no way I could be having a heart attack. But it is now Thursday and I'm still like super stiff and kind of have to keep myself like upright. I can't really bend. Like I can bend down, like straight down, or I'm sorry, like bend at the knees, but I can't bend straight down. It's like so sore, but I am feeling better. I was feeling better yesterday, but I still rested and all of that, and I'm still gonna rest today. But Leighton and I need to do a few things. We're gonna attempt to do a few errands and just do a few small things around the house. So I figured I would take you guys along with me. So make sure you are following me, like I said, over on Instagram, because I share tons of like daily updates and stuff like that over there. And also make sure you are subscribed here as well. So as you can see, it hurts kind of to move, but Leighton and I are gonna do our first thing. We are going to run an errand. I just have a few things to pick up at Target, so I'll share that little haul with you when we get back. And then she's going to a friend's house to go swimming, and then I will hopefully get some of my stuff done. And my husband's so sweet. He went and worked overtime today, and he set everything up out on the deck for me, so I didn't have to pull off all of like the covers and all of that. So I will definitely be taking breaks. The lighting's awful. I will definitely be like taking breaks and all of that to make sure I don't hurt myself again. But I just have a small to-do list, nothing crazy. So I hope you enjoy spending the day with me, and I'll see you when we get back from Target. Protein shake and my water. Leighton and I are headed to Target, and we're also going to get a car wash because my car is absolutely filthy and it's hard to see, but Austin and his friend wrote their names along the side of my car. So we're gonna go through the car wash. Are you gonna, do you want to go through the car wash first before we go to Target, or when we get back from Target? Target first? Okay. All right, I was just saying to Leighton that I really have not driven in like 3 days. I drove myself to the doctor's appointment I had to have an EKG done, and yep, and it felt like I had a heart attack, but I didn't, thank God. Thank God. But I haven't really driven anywhere, so it's like stiff, super stiff, but gymnastics. I drove her to gymnastics the same day because she started gymnastics the same day. Yeah. You know, I went to the doctor, so I didn't have a choice, but I couldn't even put on my seatbelt. It hurt so bad. So now I'm able to kind of reach behind me without twisting and putting on my seatbelt. So that's okay, I got it on. You ready, babe? Yeah. Okay. What? Okay.
Wow! Look at the pictures!
And that's so cool. Just them feet in the car. Look at you. Muscles. Alright, so this is everything we got at Target. We got some string cheese and some of this, yep, Leighton got gum, and then some of this regular cheese to do like cheese and crackers. The kids love doing like snack plates, they call it, where I do like cheese, crackers, fruit, and stuff like that. Layton picked these out to have for tonight, because what are we gonna do tonight?
Watch Red Sox game.
Who are the Red Sox playing?
Yankees.
Who do we want to win?
Red Sox.
That's right. Do we like the Yankees?
No.
No. Yuck. Teach them the right way. What happens when you live in New England? So we have some peanut M&Ms. These are for me. I like to put these in like my popcorn and just have as like a little bit of a treat. We got some garlic bread sticks for tonight for dinner. I'm making chicken parm. We stocked up on some of these snacks. Layton's actually going to a friend's house and is being picked up in a minute. So I just grabbed some of these. She's gonna take this whole one with her, but these were all buy one get one half off. So I just stocked up on all of these. So you're taking this one.
No, the one with the
Well, how about we put a Target bag and we put a bunch of stuff from all the snacks that we got. This was. I know. I just said that. We'll put some of those in there too. This is. Yeah, maybe. I got some of this gum for the kids. I got one for Layton, one for Austin. I got some of this for myself. It's like a curl defining cream. So my hair is so frizzy because of the weather, and we're actually going to Florida in a couple of weeks. So I was trying to find something that I can put in my hair.
Oh yeah, we're going to Florida.
Yes, that will make it not so frizzy. So I'll let you know how this works. So
That's also for me.
Oreos, some cookie packs. These, my husband even loves these. They're like frosted animal cookies, and then the Cheez-Its, fudge striped, and mini chocolate chips. Layton also picked out these yogurt covered raisins. She loves raisins. I got some of this chicken for tonight for dinner. I'm gonna make chicken parm. Some green beans, 2 bags of those. Some apples for everybody in the family. Some potatoes. I actually squished one of the potatoes. I gotta go in here and find it. It was stuck in the door and I didn't realize, and I smashed it right in half. So, big bag of these chips and a big bag of Ruffles. Layton loves those. And this is the non-food stuff. Layton needed some more mouthwash. The kids needed some flossers. Layton got a new toothbrush. I put Vaseline on their face because their faces seem to get super dry. So Austin has one in his room and Layton just shares it. So she wanted one of her own. And then we needed some Clorox wand refills. So.
And a mini one.
A mini one. Are you ready to pack up for your pool day? Yes. Okay.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me.
Just finished lunch and I still have all like the Target stuff. Some of it, most of it's put away, but some of it I have to clean up. I'm gonna get rid of all of these plastic bags, wipe down the dining room table, and just wipe down the counters. And I need to make my bed still. Yes, it is 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I have not made my bed, but I wanna look at my to-do list. Like I said, keeping it super simple, easy. I'm not doing too much today, but I did have like make a list just to get like my thoughts together. So I'm actually gonna grab my phone. I'm gonna put you down here. Grab my phone and just look and see what I have to do. I can't really bend like this. It hurts. So this is my to-do list. I had to get chicken. We did Target. We did the car wash. I want a tidy house, which we're gonna do now. I have to edit a video, which I will do in a little while, hopefully like this afternoon, before I cook dinner and get that video up. And then I wanna start some laundry. And apparently I need to clean my phone because it's gross. So, and these 2 things were like different things I needed to film today. So we are doing pretty good, but let's get this kitchen cleaned up.
The way that you keep playing, show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless. real. 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side, it makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Do you hear that
And
sound?
then I just need to upload my receipt from Target today. I use Fetch Rewards. I've shared this with you guys before. The link is down below. This isn't sponsored or anything. I just freaking love them. And it's like the easiest thing ever. So you just hit snap because I have a physical receipt. And then you just do there. And then it's just loading, and I'm gonna take the bottom. It needs like the whole receipt. So then I just take the bottom part and then hit submit. And then it will tell me, got 274 points. I didn't look at anything before I bought it. It's just whatever came up. So that is awesome. So exciting. So you can turn your points in for like all sorts of gift cards. These are the offers. You can search for them and then like buy those specific things. I always forget, but that's why I love this app. But then you just hit, let's see, rewards. You can get Amazon gift cards, Starbucks. You can get really any store. Adidas, Amazon, Barnes & Noble, Bass Pro, Bath & Body Works, Cabela's, CVS, eBay, JCPenney, Kohl's, Kroger, Lowe's, Marshall's. And like I have said to you guys before, what I do is, sorry, I'm just taking you to my bedroom because I'm going to take you to my bedroom to make my bed. But what I do is I save all the points and buy like Christmas gifts with them. So like I'll buy either teacher gift cards or gift cards for my kids or my aunts or uncles or anyone I'm buying gift cards for. So I save up all the points. Or if you don't want to do that, you can make them yourself, like keep them yourself and not tell anybody because they're your points and you can go shopping and do whatever the heck you want with it. But that is just what I do. So I have like so many Christmas shopping ideas that I'm going to be sharing soon because yes, I'm already Christmas shopping. Anybody else?